Ladies and gentlemen, we are truly living in the times of AI. AI is the present and it's certainly going to be the future as well. Over the past couple of years, we've seen the remarkable achievements of ChatGPT and DALL-E and other types of AI models. We've seen how they can boost our productivity, and we've seen the numerous ways on how they can actually help us, whether it's answering questions or giving us detailed guidelines on how to achieve certain kinds of things. AI has truly been fantastic. Unfortunately, in today's video, I wanted to talk more about the dark, bad side of AI, and in particular, Gemini. Gemini is supposed to be Google's answer to ChatGPT, and you must have heard the story by now, but only a couple of days ago, we had users around the world testing Gemini's ability to generate certain types of images, and the results they got were truly fascinating and just mind-blowing. Now, I'm going to bring this image right here just to show you a few of the examples, and let's start off with the first one in here. It says, an illustration of a 1943 German soldier. Basically, a German soldier during the Second World War. Now, the first image is, for sure, very accurate. It's a white male, okay? But then the second image, I can guarantee you that Germany didn't have Asian women fighting for them during the Second World War. In fact, Germany didn't have any women fighting for them on the battlefront, on the battle lines, right? And I can guarantee you 100% that no black men fought for the Germans during the Second World War. But this right here is an actual image result using Gemini, and it gets even crazier. This right here is supposed to be an image of Vikings, okay? This right here was supposed to be an image of the Pope. So supposedly sometime in history, in some alternate universe or alternate world, we've had a female Pope, and we've also had a black Pope as well, okay? And of course, a portrait of the founding fathers of America. These are supposedly the founding fathers of America, which is, of course, absolutely 100% false. So, when I read this story online, I decided to try it out myself. Now, today is Sunday, February 25th. Now, you can see right here that I have asked Gemini to produce certain kinds of images, and it says right now that the ability to generate images have been paused by Gemini. You can see, create an image of a happy white couple, create an image of a happy black couple, all the same results. And I'm going to tell you exactly why I did this, okay? So due to the backlash, Google, obviously, they've suspended Gemini's ability to generate images of any type of people, right? However, 2 days ago, on Friday, February 23rd, before Google paused this ability, I actually ran some tests myself. You can see this is me right here. That's my image right there. I said, give me an image of a happy white couple. And this is what Gemini said. Gemini said, while I'm able to generate images, I am unable to generate images of people due to Google's AI principles. These principles state that the AI should be used for good and avoid creating or reinforcing unfair bias. Images of people can be used in harmful ways, and I do not want to contribute to that. However, when I said give me an image of a happy black couple, sure, here's an image of a happy black couple. How insane is this? So apparently generating an image of a happy white couple reinforces unfair bias, but generating an image of a happy black couple, yeah, that's no problem, that's fine. How insane is this? This is completely insane. And it turns out that the reason why Gemini was producing all these sorts of nonsensical results was because there was a filter that once the user has made the request, like, hey, generate this image, that request goes through the filter, and that filter will demand that Gemini add like some diversity. So add some like black characters here and there, add black people. And then if it's like an image strictly asking for like a white couple or a white person, deny that ability because it reinforces unfair bias, apparently. So this just shows you the minds of those who developed Gemini. And I don't want to go down this rabbit hole of like, far left or far right or liberal or conservative, But I'm pretty sure you know the mindset of those that have developed Gemini to act in this manner. And while it is very disappointing, it is not surprising, because just like with social media platforms like, YouTube, Facebook, or back then the days of Twitter, right? If you had certain kinds of opinions that didn't match those of the overlords of these platforms, you are more than likely to get banned or censored, because they don't like your opinion. They don't like your idea. They think your ideas are dangerous. Your opinions are dangerous. It's kind of like almost the same thing here, except now those developing AI, they have the ability to rewrite history and reshape history. Because if you, as an innocent student, you're conducting a research and you're saying, hey, Gemini, give me the results of this, give me an image of this, I'm doing it for research, and Gemini ends up giving you this. Now, we can tell that, we know this is obviously nonsense. We can tell this is utter rubbish. We can tell. But what if it involves certain kinds of studies that are not as easy to tell whether it's factual or not? What if we're saying, hey, give us the number of people that, died in a certain era or something like that, and then Gemini ends up giving us wrong results? That could be dangerous. This is misleading. This is intentional and it's misleading. So the point I'm trying to make here is that if you ever thought that AI would be this 100% fact-based machine that just gives you the facts, it doesn't care about bias, it doesn't take any sides, you're sadly mistaken. Unfortunately, you're sadly mistaken, because remember that AI is only as intelligent as the data it is given. And those creating the AI, they can manipulate that data. They can manipulate the AI models to think the way they want them to think. They can manipulate AI to produce the kinds of results that they want to be produced. Results that match the way they see the world. Even if it's factually inaccurate, they don't care. So let this be a warning that when it comes to you using ChatGPT or Gemini or that kind of AI model out there, don't trust the information 100%. I will still recommend that you do some other external research if it's possible to do so. And that's basically it. We'll see what the new improved Gemini performs. Once they've restored Gemini's ability to generate images, you can be sure I will run some more tests and see what Gemini produces. But that's it for today's video. I'd love to hear your thoughts about this. Do you think we will ever get to a point where we have an actual AI that is 100% fact-based and hasn't been corrupted or influenced by those trying to develop the AI in the first place? I'd love to hear from you. If you have any questions, of course, about what I've covered in today's video, be sure to let me know. Put them down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, and of course, share this video with anyone whom you feel might benefit from it. If you're new here to the channel, my name is Alex. I cover topics around cybersecurity and AI. So if you love content like this, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so that you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Stay safe out there, and don't use Gemini for now. Use a different type of AI model. I'll see you next time. Cheers.